Guys, I get this house for 6,000 euros. I pay for house and big land around the house. But that house do not have electricity and no water. And that's mean no shower. But I will show you my off-the-grid shower. Guys, this here, what you see here, this is my shower. I have here hangers like this. On these hangers I put shower curtain. Like this, looking inside the shower. This curtain was overlay over one over another. That means water stay inside and we can shower nice. That's perfect now. Guys, that's it. For one shower I need 6.5 liters of water. Is 6 here, and I put a little bit more. 6.5 liters for one shower. That bottle and this shower head I just connected with this together, but I'm not happy with that one, was too short. I won't go that over shower curtain and from the top down. I leave now like this to dry, and then water from the shower I just put out on the garden for now. But later I will make everything. I will build here natural cleaning system for water. Which one will cleaning water between water will go between the stones and plants and will be clean. Then I put everything together like this here. And will wait me to next month when I will shower again. Yoo-hoo! Okay, I need that curtain for make my off-grid shower. That will be box for shower. Guys, thank you very much for watching and see you in next one. Bye. Misha, say bye. Bye? Okay. She say bye. Bye guys. Thank you. You.